pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Eastman local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is when the original place and the destination are more than 50 miles apart, even if they are in the same state. We can relocate your possessions interstate, throughout the state, or locally at 3 men and a truck. The authorities governing the relocation process, both federal and municipal, have a good working relationship with us. We have the most dedicated and dependable movers and drivers on our team that will deliver your goods without any damage. Don't worry about us overcharging you because all of our services are affordable. Moving locally is far less expensive than moving long distances. Our charges are quite reasonable, ranging between $30 and $40 per hour. Our certified and committed local movers will ensure that you are satisfied with their service and listen to your comments and wishes. We're used to dealing with huge cities and congested places, so we know how to transport your goods without causing any problems. We have the best team of local drivers and movers who are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to assist you with your moving plans. If you look at our reviews, you'll notice that we only have happy clients. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Eastman Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.